Hi Ed, how you doing? It's been a while since we spoke, and I think this is probably a good medium to communicate to you. In addition to emails showing you what's going on with your car, and this is of course public, so and if you have any objection to that, I'll remove this post for you and at your request. But here's your car. I'm looking at it. It's been a while since I put eyes on it and actually done any work to it, but just reviewing and analyzing what steps to do first, second, and third to get your car back on the road and running. In here, the shop or your storage shed, I'm going to be closing this out in the next couple of weeks, or at least that's the intent. But I've got a lot of extra stuff in here which I have to make room for this stuff in my new facility by putting in more shelving dedicated to all these items here, because I'm not going to bring it to your mom's and store it there for you, but I want to keep it all at my place and cut your cost out of this little room, for whatever it costs, like $100 or something. But I want to make sure that happens for you and get this thing done, and get this thing rolling. Just reviewing a lot of stuff that the last guy that was doing on it, we'll make the corrections and we'll fix it and we'll get it straight and get it rolling. And some parts, like these brand new upper A arms, I'm going to media blast them and get them in either a good primer, epoxy primer, and then paint, or take them down to powder. We'll see whichever one is the most durable based on cost and things like that. So let me go ahead and drag this thing up on the trailer and try to film while I'm doing this. Might be kind of interesting. Of course, we got that spare roof that that's also part of it. I got to find a place for it. Let me line up the wheels. Well, that's a whole lot faster than a come-along winch, huh? Well, Ed, we got over 4 minutes of video now. Got to stabilize this load, take out some of the loose stuff in there so it doesn't go plopping out. We'll be making several trips here. I've already been making a few trips down here, analyzing and storing and moving stuff slowly. But the bottom line is progress is happening, and I'm moving out, and I'll keep you abreast on what's happening. Okay? Thanks, Ed. See you later. Bye-bye.